Alright, this is the current state of my Derasa clam. As you can see, that bad boy looks terrible. The Gaius looks fine, but the Derasa, look, he's coming off his shell. I think his adductor muscle's too weak, and I have to help him out with that. But first, let me go ahead and move this stupid urchin so I can mess with him. The urchin got me last time and now was bleeding, but I'll get him off this time. Just give me a second. Go ahead and flush some of the detritus out of his shell. Let's see if I can. It's a lot of detritus collecting in there. Hopefully he don't get infected. It's crazy. Tons of detritus, man. He's still flinching though, guys, but this ain't a good thing. Gotta keep this thing clean. But you'll see my little thing I'm thinking about doing to help him heal. I don't see any infection, but there's tons of detritus in here. See, he's still flinching and moving. His abductor muscle is weak. That's why he can't freaking close. They just automatically stay open. Man, too much detritus got in there. Crap, I might have to flip him upside down. Not healing without assistance. I gotta get all these stupid ass starfish out of here. Alright. If he needs some major in, guys. It was clean, but I guess it gets dirty really quickly. Yeah, man, this guy's still kicking, but he definitely needs help. Okay, let's see. I probably do need to get him out for a little bit because I don't know how to do that zip tie to his shell. Let's see, let me turn him upside down. Oh shit, the bubble anemone. There's a dang bubble anemone in here. And it ate a dang bristleworm. That's cool.
You want to show it?
It's just too little. It's not going to show up because I got a ton of algae in this tank. I mean, yeah, on the glass.
I think it's showing.
It's too little, babe. It can't focus that well. Cannot focus that well. Get this damn bristleworm out of here. Yep, I think I will probably have to get this guy out of the tank. I don't know any other way to do this. If I have him here, I can't manipulate. Yep, he lost full control of his muscle.
I'm just kidding.
Okay, let's see. Gotta get this stupid Astorina star in here. Hey, babe. You don't see him more.
You can always get them off when you get him out.
Yep, this guy's barely alive still. Sorry, bro. Okay. Let's try to make this pretty quick. You can see Clam struggling. Let's see, I need to just help him partially close because he's actually too weak to close at all. He needs to be closed a little bit in order to attach to the shell right there. See, that's coming off, so I have to do it a little bit in order for him to close him. We'll put him back in. Try him this way. Hopefully, this will be good. Why does he always land like that? I'm just gonna do him this way, I guess. Hopefully, he'll be good like that. He always wants to land that way, huh? Try this method here. Okay, so that's down. Let me try this particular method. Let's see how this one works. Hopefully that'll do the trick. There we go. Now we can see a little bit. Yay. Okay, thank you, Dad. All right, that's the current status right now, guys. Hopefully, this makeshift zip tie situation will help. Stay tuned, guys, for the latest development. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification.